morning, it's Wednesday, 17th of October, 6:56 UK time, and I'm gonna go through the plans for today's trade in 6E. Before that, let's just look at yesterday's plans versus what happened. Scenario 1 was test to the VPOC and the HVN, and continue lower to get to the naked VPOC. Scenario 1. Scenario 2 was test lower and extend the range above the previous day's high to the key LVN at 690. What happened is this. It started over scenario 2, tested higher than the VPOC, went to the value area high, and this kind of also fitted my scenario 2. Up and continue lower. When it got to the open, it took it out and took out the low, and it started consolidating for a long period of time. At which point I started to see scenario 1 more likely. Price slowly went above the mid, tested below, show up, and in a news-driven move, it quickly went up and quickly came down to the scene of the crime, at the news place where the news broke out. Balanced a bit, tested the mid from the underside and finished on top of the VPOC. I can see that the price is now opening down here. Outside of range, so what my trade ideas for the day will be. Let's just look at the overnight first. That's the overnight. Okay, we held the overnight. We've had a sustained sell-off with the VPOC at the low part, lower part. In scenario 1, when I made my scenarios last night, scenario 1 was a test of the value area high and sell-off. The sell-off's already happened to some extent. We are right at the weekly open, right at the MCLVN. So my scenario 1 will be test high into the previous day's range, and sell off leave the range, balance here, take out the naked VPOC, consolidate, and get to 560. MCLVN, which will give us a range of 560 to 630, 60 points, 670 points. Scenario 1. Scenario 2. We open. Dip lower. Continue higher. Test the low. Consolidate the VPOC. Get to 650 HVN and value area high. And finish like this. That's scenario 2. Scenario 3. As we open outside of range, elevated risk of an open drive move, so I favor the downside, such an event. And from the previous day's low at 620, we can sell off down to what levels do we have below. Below we have below the 562 LVN. We have an HVN at 536. So down to 536. $540 area. And an HVN on the composite and a NFP low. So that is scenario 3. So that's my scenarios for today, and we'll do it again tomorrow.